Hi guys, usually I'm showing you ways to put your makeup on, but today I'm going to show you different ways to take it off. I actually enjoy taking off my makeup. I like the washing, the moisturizing, night creams, doing all the stuff we should be doing if we really want to take care of our skin. Of course, there are times that I'm feeling very sleepy, and in that case I'll simply wipe off my makeup with one of these makeup removing wipes. Splash some water on my face and apply a little bit of moisturizer. So this is a nighttime skincare ritual that I love to do. First, I like to use some of this skin pre-cleansing oil by Dermalogica. I like to massage my face with it as I'm cleansing off my makeup. It takes everything off, my mascara, base, eyeshadow, everything. It's really efficient. This is a good opportunity for a neck massage. A less expensive option is good old-fashioned Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser, which I also sometimes use. I admit it, I'm a bit of a skincare junkie. Next, I'll blot off the oil with a tissue, and then, using a face cloth and lukewarm water, I'll give a light wash with a simple skin cleanser such as Cetaphil Gentle Face Wash or Dermalogica Face Wash. Now you could just pat dry and moisturize right here, but I want to show you a fun new gadget that I've been using for the last 6 months. I'm not usually into gadgets, but I've seen these things all over the place and I thought, may as well give it a try. So what I found is this radiant skincare system is very good for cleansing and for exfoliating the skin. It also gives a great massage for the face and neck. Because my skin is dry, I don't like to use it every single day, but I will use it every other day. The skincare system comes with 4 different heads. One is for daily washing. One is a little bit stiffer, that's for exfoliating. There's one for exfoliating your feet, it's like a pumice stone. There's a larger head that's for washing your body. You can use that with any shower gel or body wash that you like to use. So you can use this little device instead of the face cloth. Just use your favorite washable makeup remover or a mild soap or body wash with it. If you feel overwhelmed with choices of products and steps, just remember that basically the steps for skincare at night or during the day are cleanse, tone, and moisturize. It's as easy as that. So now I'm going to tone my skin. This helps tighten up the pores and remove any cleanser or detergent that may be on your skin. I like to use the antioxidant Hydro Mist by Dermalogica. You could use something as simple and as inexpensive as witch hazel also, that works really well too. So now to moisturize with a night cream. I'm going to use Dermalogica's Super Rich Repair. I add 2 drops of serum to the night cream. The serum's called Overnight Repair Serum. You don't have to add the serum if you don't want to. I just love skincare products and I think it makes a big difference to my skin. This feels so rich and creamy. I use Dermalogica products for dry skin, but they have fantastic skincare for all skin types. That feels really good. And don't forget the eye cream. There are a couple of different ones I use. I'll use my Murad today, which is another brand I really like. Just pat it on with your ring finger. Go gently around the delicate eye area. Be careful not to yank your skin around. There, all ready for a good night's sleep. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.